Look, there's something in this bush. I wonder if it's a wild animal. Let's ask him for help. What animal is that? It's a lion. A lion. We found a lion. Look, there's another wild animal. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? An elephant. An elephant. An elephant. A mama elephant and a baby elephant. I wonder what animal is in there. What animal is that? It's a rhino. A rhino. A mama rhino and a baby rhino. We've got lots of animals. I wonder what's next. What animal is that? A giraffe. A giraffe. A giraffe has a long neck. A giraffe. Look, there's another animal. It's in the bushes. What animal is that? A butterfly. An orange butterfly. A butterfly. I wonder what's making all that ruckus. Come on out. What animal is that? A monkey. A monkey. A monkey. Everyone, and welcome to the farm. Did you hear that? It sounded like an animal. I wonder what's inside. Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a horse. A horse. It's a horse. I see a brown horse. There's a baby horse. The woman's riding the horse. There's something inside. Let's have a look. What animal is that? A pig. It's a pig. That pig's in the mud. There's some baby pigs. I see 3 little pigs. Look, that pig is black. I hear an animal. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a goat. A goat. Look, there's a little goat and a big goat. That goat is eating. Let's feed the goats. I see one goat. I see two goats. Look, there's something inside. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a cow. A cow. That cow is black and white. I see a baby cow. There's the mommy cow. Let's feed the baby cows. They're drinking milk. What's that? What animal is that? It's a sheep. I hear a sheep. There's lots of sheep over there. Look, baby sheep. Those are lambs. I see lots of white sheep. What animal is that? An ostrich. An ostrich. An ostrich is a big bird. They lay big eggs. There's something in there. What animal is that? A crocodile. A crocodile. Look, a crocodile. There's another animal. Let's ask for directions. What animal is that? A hedgehog. A hedgehog. A hedgehog. I think we're getting closer to home. Let's see what animal is next. What animal is that? A snake. A snake. A snake. The snake says it's an animal over here. Come out wherever you are. What animal is that? An iguana. An iguana. An iguana is a type of lizard. It's a big lizard. The iguana says we're getting closer. What animal is that? A cheetah. A cheetah. A cheetah. We saw lots of animals in the barn. Now we'll go to the hayfield. There's a truck. Let's go see the animals at the hayfield. Do you hear that? There must be something in there. I hear an animal. I wonder what it is. Let's say peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a dog. Look, a dog is in the hay. I see 2 puppies, 2 baby dogs. There's a dog. I see another dog. Oh, look, there's something in there. What animal is that? A turkey. I see a turkey. I see 3 turkeys. A turkey is a big bird. There's something in there. What animal is that? It's a donkey. A donkey. Let's feed the donkey. The donkey's eating. The donkey's in the field. Look, there's an animal. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a llama. Look, a llama. A mommy llama and a baby llama. I see 3 llamas. That llama is black and white. I hear an animal. What animal is that? It's a chicken. I see a chicken and 4 eggs. There's a baby chicken. That's called a chick. I see chickens. The cheetah says we have to go over the river. Look, there's something in there. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? A fox. A fox. A fox. There's another animal. Look. What animal is that? It's an owl. An owl. An owl is a type of bird. An owl. Let's ask this animal for help. What animal is that? A bear. A bear. A bear. There's something making noise in that bush. What animal is that? It's a frog. A frog. A frog. The frog says we have to keep going. What animal is that? A wolf. A wolf. A wolf. Let's ask this animal for help. What animal is that? A turtle. Turtle. A turtle. There's something over there. What animal is that? A tiger. A tiger. A tiger. Let's go to the garden now. I bet we'll see lots of animals in the garden. I wonder if any will eat carrots. Let's find some vegetables. The garden. Huh, it sounds like there's an animal. I wonder what's in there. Let's say peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a rabbit. There's a rabbit in the garden. I see a little rabbit. There's a white rabbit. Wow, there's so many rabbits. Do you hear that? I wonder what that is. What animal is that? It's a mole. Wow, a mole. They live underground. That mole is digging. That mole is digging. It's a little black mole. Did you hear that? The puppy's digging something. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a chipmunk. Look, a chipmunk. It's so little. That chipmunk is eating. He has a snack. Hi, chipmunk. I wonder what that is. What animal is that? It's a hedgehog. Look, a hedgehog. A hedgehog has little quills. Aww, it's so sweet. It's a little hedgehog. What is that? There's something near the carrots. Wow, what animal is that? It's a snake. A snake. I see a little snake. Whoa, that's a big snake. There's a green snake. I see a snake. What's that? Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's an armadillo. Wow, it's an armadillo.